The smartphone world is no stranger to bold promises, but nothing is aiming to make its most significant statement yet. With the Nothing Phone 3, the company is stepping into what it calls its first true flagship territory. But let's be clear, this isn't a flagship in the traditional sense. It's not here to challenge the likes of the Samsung Galaxy S Ultra, Asus ROG series, or OnePlus 13R. Instead, it's carving out a unique niche, defined more by aesthetics, software philosophy, and quirky hardware choices than brute power. What immediately stands out is the brand's decision to ditch the full glyph LED lighting system, a hallmark of the previous models. Instead, Nothing is introducing a new glyph matrix mini LED display, likely around 1 by 1 inches in size. Think of it as a dot matrix-style screen, similar to what Asus does with their ROG phone's rear display. It'll handle animations for notifications, show timers, act as a camera indicator, control music, and potentially even run retro-style games. It's a neat gimmick, but let's not mistake it for innovation. This has been done before. Yet it does offer a little flair in a market filled with homogeneous slabs. Adding into this, the Phone 3 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 S Gen 4 chipset. While not a top-tier SoC, it offers solid mid- to high-tier performance. Devices like the Poco F7 also use this chip, which speaks to its capability in daily use and moderate gaming, though it won't push the limits like the 8 Gen 3 or 8 Gen 2 chips seen in true flagships. Backing this is a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 45-watt wired, fast charging and wireless charging, ensuring all-day longevity for most users. The front is equipped with a 6.7-inch display, featuring a centered punch-hole camera. Notably, there are minimal bezels and an almost symmetrical chin, making for a clean, premium-looking design. On the back, you'll find a triple camera system that includes a main sensor, an ultra-wide, and a periscope zoom lens. Decent, but again, not groundbreaking. It's what we've come to expect in 2025 from mid to premium devices. Storage and RAM options include a 12GB RAM with 256GB internal storage variant, priced around €799, and a more premium 16GB plus 512GB model expected to cost €899. Build quality is promised to use premium materials, aligning with the company's move toward a more mature and polished aesthetic. The real standout, however, is Nothing OS. Nothing OS 4.2 is rumored to bring a major redesign with a focus on enhanced interface elements, smoother animations, and deeper integration of AI capabilities. Founder Carl Pei himself mentioned this device as the beginning of their AI-powered journey, aiming to set 2025 apart as a transformative year. As for availability, the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to launch officially in July 2025, with pricing starting at approximately £800 or €799, depending on the configuration. Whether this is enough to disrupt the market or simply please a niche audience, only time will tell.